Locate the canister. The canister is a black plastic box located in the rear of the undercarriage, often on the driver's side. Remove hoses. Use a flathead screwdriver or pliers to release the quick connect fittings and hose clamps on the various hoses connected to the canister. Some hoses may require you to press a tab to release them. Disconnect the electrical connector. Unplug the electrical connector for the vent valve and any other sensors on the canister. Use a screwdriver to pry off the orange locking tab on the connector if necessary. Unbolt the canister. Use a socket wrench to remove the bolts that hold the canister to the vehicle's frame. Mount the new part, position the new canister in the correct location, and secure it with the mounting bolts. Reconnect hoses. Attach all the hoses to the new canister. Ensuring the connections are secure. Replace old or cracked hose clamps as needed. Reconnect electrical connector. Plug the electrical connector back into the canister.